The book Survival of the Sickest takes you on a journey through the biology of the world. The adventure begins with the process of evolution. The genetic mutation causing hemochromatosis helped those people survive the bubonic plague that killed everything it touched in Europe. This condition, which makes a person have too much iron in their body, enabled those to survive, reproduce, and pass on the specific trait to their offspring. In other cases, the genetic makeup of most organisms would adapt in order to survive the weather conditions of their habitat. The innate goal of all living things is to survive and reproduce. Next on our journey, Molam describes how biological systems grow, reproduce, and maintain homeostasis. She details the many natural defenses of the body to defend against cold and protect the organism. She also illustrates how the body regulates its creation of vitamin D, taking into account the organism's amount of melanin, the UV rays present, and its need to protect folate. My favorite part was learning about how different cells in the body work together to protect the organism. When humans are out in the sun, the pituitary gland produces hormones that make melanin to protect the body from ultraviolet rays. The pituitary gland gets this information from the optic nerve. However, when we wear sunglasses, there's less light entering our eyes, and so the pituitary gland doesn't give the signal to make that much melanin. Because of this, the body becomes more prone to sunburn. In our last segment, we embark upon the complex interaction between biological systems. We learn about how specific fat, called brown fat, mostly found in newborns and some adults, converts to heat right on the spot when the body is exposed to cold. DNA in itself is so complex because when the environment poses a certain threat, jumping genes can move around and actually change the organism's genetic makeup. Mullen touches on so many different topics in the survival of the sickest. She describes how each topic originated and how it affects the world today. Who knows, in one of the chapters she could be talking about you and your ancestors.